Alright y'all, we're out here on Red Willow. We're going to target some wiper or anything else that wants to bite a lure, really. Just see what happens, just have a little bit of fun. I'm marking some actually on the fish finder right now. So we're going to get baits in the water. Wish us luck. Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get on some fish. Ton of fish on bottom. I usually don't do a lot of pre-fishing, but now I'm kind of curious if they're catfish, so we're just gonna anchor up, spot lock, and try to see if they're catfish. If they are, we're not gonna stay here very long. I don't want to swirl up a bunch of fish. The tournament's not till Sunday, but yeah, we're gonna see if these are catfish and give it a try. Then we'll get back to white bass and wiper. What's up, pelican bud? Checking out the Alpha Boardz. Pretty slick. Don't steal my fish, homie. Enjoy your day. Oh, Tam. Oh, he's still there. What one? This one. A little test run out here, and Tam got hooked up on an Alpha board. This one's getting tangled way over here. I don't know what's going on with that one. It when it gets close. It's clip typered. Here, lift it up a little bit. Not a bad one. Oh, it did go in clip. Never mind. Sorry, I'm an idiot. Get the net. Suck a buddy. Cute. He's not like beat up at all. Hey, look, there's Everett. Tamryn's first fish of this trip. We're just out here doing a little test run on a couple things. Got on an Alpha board. All right, we're gonna grab a couple pictures and then we'll get a release. Release time. He's probably 8-9 pounds. He's a hefty under. He's got a good belly on him. Bye. He hit it hard. Ooh, crazy. This one on my reel. Oh yeah, he's a good white bass. Good job. Walter, little walleye. What's that? We hit that rock pile and I thought it was a rock. Little white bass. Well, back at shore now. Got a few white bass. Getting the boat charged up. I don't think we're gonna go back out. We're just gonna get ready for a tournament tomorrow. But me and Tamryn are gonna go get something to eat.
Get my good side.
We met up with Mar and Alyssa on their way in McCook to get dinner. She's getting ready for the tournament.
Soon in the morning.
We're just gonna eat dinner and that's gonna close out this video. We caught a few white bass for bait, found where some catfish were. So,
that's us.
That's us. We just got hollered at. So yeah, we're gonna eat up some food. Thanks for watching this adventure. Stay wicked, y'all.